Hey, how's it going, fam? Today we're going to be talking about email marketing. I'm going to do a step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up a autoresponder email campaign and talk through some do's and don'ts. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up, fam? As promised, we're going to be doing a video about email marketing and go through how to set up an autoresponder campaign and go through some do's and don'ts. First things first, hit that subscribe button, give me some likes, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will reply. If you're looking for any links to #1 recommended programs or some $30 off a GetResponse account, then check the links below in the description. All right, guys, so let's get on with the video. So what I'm going to do is walk you through with kind of an email marketing uh, how to set up. So I'm not going through like going into an autoresponder and setting up the email campaign. I'm going to show you like the process. All right, so let's get started. So I got this. First things first, we will have a opt-in page. All right, so the very first thing we'll have is an opt-in page to drive our traffic to gather emails to build our email list. The next thing we'll have is a thank you page. So a thank you page allows us to say who we are and thank them for opting into our offer. And then after that, we'll have a sales page. And it's usually a video, but it could just be a page or a website, whatnot. But that will be the third phase. So this is what we're trying to do, is get them to this sales video. So the next thing we'll be doing is creating emails, right? So this is the most important part because the sale most likely comes in the follow-up. I read a survey that stated most people don't buy until the 12th follow-up, right? So some people buy the first through the fourth, but majority people, it takes them 12 follow-ups before they'll actually buy. So that's why you want your email. So I'm going to talk about email here shortly. So your first email will go out. As soon as they opt in, you'll have an email go out, and this is a welcome email. So it'll be basically an email that states who you are, thank you for opting in, and that you'll be sending some emails out over the next several days, months, or years, right? So let them know that you're who you are just real briefly and welcome them, say thank you about opting in to your page and that they're going to be receiving emails. All right, so I like to just say that. Some people even tell them if you don't want to receive emails, then unsubscribe, but that's more of a personal preference than anything. So the next email will come out, and then it'll just be a series, right? So a series follow-up, email after email after email. The second email is the email that you want to use to uh, introduce yourself. Tell them who you are, what you're doing, how you got into a marketing, and just try to build some rapport with your audience. All right. So the first the first email is just a thank you, welcome to my email list. The second email is an introduction of who you are. So this email, strictly who you are. You don't want to do any promotions yet, right? So first, second email, no promotions yet. Then your third email, you're still talking about, okay, welcome, who am I? Maybe some backstory of where I came from and how I got to where I am today. So this one may have a link to some Facebook or YouTube videos. This one may have some value videos of how to or something like that. And then the next one will be a promotion email. So what you want to do, you want to keep in mind that 80-20 rule that I brought up in previous videos, because value, 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 promotion, value, 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 promotion. You want to provide more value, 80% value, 20% promotion, right? So this is just getting your audience to know who you are and get comfortable with receiving emails from you, etc. So this one is you're going to promote, right? So you may have a quick video saying, "Hey, check out this video of how to do this or this cool program that I earned, you know, my first $100 from or something like that." And that's where you put your link. All right. And then you'll have more emails, and the next email will be, you know, a simple follow-up, right? So you're adding value again. So you're just going to do a video with value and maybe link them to your YouTube channel. And if they want to go to check out your links in your YouTube channel, they can do so, but you don't want to promote in the email yet. All right. So you can drive them to your YouTube channel where you promote and just keep adding value and value and value because you're building rapport with your audience. You're trying to get some trust because people buy from people. People don't buy from companies, right? So they got to be able to trust you before they buy from you. They're just not going to listen to the salesman the very first time and just buy whatever they're selling. All right. So you just got your email series and you just keep going like that, right? So email after email after email. And this series could go, you know, it could go 7 days, it could go 30 days, it could go 45 days. But by what you want to do is you want to build like a series of at least 30 days. 45 days, I think, is like the standard. A lot of people just do them, you know, have a 300, 300 email autoresponder set up, and it just every day. So you can set up a 365 email, and it'll just go for a whole year on autopilot, which would be pretty cool, right? So I don't have nothing like that, but I would like to get to that point. So now we're going to talk about do's and don'ts, right? So one of the things I would say not to do would be do not use swipe files like copy and paste. That is a big no-no. So when I say email swipe files, if you don't know what an email swipe file is, it's pre-written emails that a lot of affiliate companies offer you to promote their product through an email campaign. And a lot of people will copy and paste those, but what happens is as more and more people do that, the emails like Gmail or Yahoo or whatever you're using, they catch on and they catch it as spam, and it'll just go right to the spam folder. So what you want to do is email swipe files for is templates, right? So you got the email, just don't copy and paste and change your name at the end. Use it as a template to write your own email, all right? So that way the wording is your wording, and you can use parts of that email, but just don't copy and paste it, all right? So use it as a guide to write your emails. It'll help you speed up the process of writing emails, and it will also make your emails more original to you, because who knows, that person could be getting emails from somebody else using that same swipe file, and they're like, shit, he's got the same exact emails as this guy over here. Other don'ts is do not post your affiliate links in your email. Always use like Bitly, like a URL shortener like Bitly to shorten your affiliate links. Plus, by using Bitly, you can actually track how many clicks and where your clicks are coming from. So use a service like Bitly or something, and that's pretty much all I use. And you could custom link it so it'll show you like a short Bitly, and then you could say email marketing 101 or something like that. So that's just something to keep in the top of your head, right? And don't post a whole bunch of links in your emails, right? Maybe one at the beginning and one at the end, but you don't want to get too crazy with the affiliate links. Another tip is try not to be too promotion driven, right? So like I go back to the 80-20 rule. Provide value in your emails and then promote So you don't want to promote in every single email. I know it's hard because you want people to click that link, but as you use services like Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is, link them to that, and then that can be used as a promotion. But you don't want to promote too much in your emails. You do want to promote, but you don't want to promote every single email with a affiliate link. All right, because that just becomes salesy, and people will start throwing your emails either in spam or unsubscribe from you. All right, so I hope this helped some uh, of how to set up your email campaign. So again, I'm just going to go over like how you would do that, and I would recommend you write about at least 7 emails that go out every single day, and then you could start your first 7 days, and then you could start doing it like every other day, maybe skip 2 days, and do it that way. A lot of people like to send out emails every single day. I know I get emails from a guy, Ben Settle, and he sends out multiple emails a day. So he's just a really good email marketer and copywriter. But you want to make sure you pay attention to how often you're emailing, and you don't want to not email, go 7 days and then stop for 7 days. You want to do it at least every other day, maybe take 2 days off and then hit again. But you want to keep that motion going for at least 30 to 45 days. So just to recap, we're going to start with your opt-in page. They're going to get an email, a welcome email, and explaining what they're about to get is, hey, this is Zeb. Thank you for opting into my offer. I'm going to be sending out some emails over the next several days, months, or years, and I hope you enjoy what you receive. And the next one will be a welcome email, an introduction email. So it'll tell me, hey, Zeb, hey, this is Zeb, blah, blah, blah. This is who I am, and this is what I'm doing. Maybe shoot them to your Facebook page and your YouTube channel, share them some of your social media. Then your third one will be, maybe your backstory of how you came to where you're at today. And then your fourth one, that's where you're going to start offering promoting an offer. All right, so try to keep that rhythm. And then your third one, so maybe like value, 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 promotion, value, value, promotion, mix it up. But you want to make sure you're adding a lot of value to people because they want to see you give them value. I hope this helps, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, or would like to see in the future. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.